What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to play CS2 in 1080 by 1080 for AMD. So, you might be looking for a way to change the resolution, well in this case where you play CS2. Well, changing the resolution here is actually pretty easy using AMD. So, specifically, you need to first have AMD Adrenalin version here. So, if you don't have it yet, I would recommend you to first install AMD Adrenalin. But once you have it installed and set up, sometimes you may need to restart your PC or laptop before doing so. But typically in here, in the Adrenalin menu, you want to go to Gaming and you want to head over to Display. Now under Display, you should see Display Options and Custom Color at the right side here. Now, but usually at the Custom Color section, you should see in a section here that says Custom Resolution. Now, you want to head over and just click on Custom Resolutions. And once you hit on custom resolutions, this is what you'll be seeing. Now you should see a EULA here. So you could go and just read on it, but if you click on I accept, you should now see this UI. Now what you need to do is you just need to basically indicate the resolution that you want to use. So in this case, this is going to be 1080 by 1080. Go ahead and enter that in. And also the refresh rate here. Now for the refresh rate here, you could go and match your refresh rate to your monitor. So yeah, go ahead and do that. But once you provide all the necessary details here, so you could just change resolution and refresh rate and keep everything as default or depending on your preference. But once you click on create at the bottom right, you should now have a custom resolution now on your PC. Just take note that this will affect your whole PC or your laptop, so just keep that in mind. But once you have it in there, or once you've created your custom resolution here, you can just head over and play CS2 and see if that works. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.